We wanted a solar carport so we can do off-grid EV charging. Since we've had the carport installed, we barely ever use the house charger anymore, so that allows us to save more money.
BIPV stands for Building Integrated Photovoltaics. It means solar is integrated directly into the structure, not just added on top. Like our solar carport, the panels serve as both the generation source and also being the actual roof, and also it's waterproofed.
We chose the GoodWe VELA solar charging carport because it saves time and it saves double handling materials in the installation.
Well, nowadays, many roofs are already full or maybe too old. It's not ideal for solar. And sometimes the customer just simply doesn't want any solar panels on the roof because they have a concern on the leakage. Our solar carport, it creates new space. It's the new smart solar that doesn't touch the roof. It not just bringing more solar generation to our house there, it also adds value to our home or business.
The benefits are it's modular in design and it was a very easy installation. The design complements the structure of our home and the design structure faces north, so it gives us maximum sun exposure.
As we all know that the battery rebate is rolling out at this stage, and people are not just looking at the panels, they're looking beyond that. They want a full energy system, and our solar carport makes that easy. It's generating power, it's charging your EV, and also it's protecting your vehicle all from just one structure. It's smart and flexible, and it's EV ready and future-proofed.